How to make video on TikTok from photos. Quick and easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to create TikTok videos using photos. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your TikTok app and I'll create a new TikTok to show you. So you will click on this plus button right here. It will open up the TikTok camera for you. And here we can record a video, but we do not want to do that. We want to use the photos that we have in our gallery. For that, you have to click on the upload option you can see given. Click on upload, switch to photos. It will show you the photos you have in your gallery. So you have to select the photos you want to go for. So we can just select like this. You click on it and you will be able to do so. So now I have selected the photos I want to add. Click on next. So it will create a video for you. We have to add a music. So in music, I'm gonna go for this one right here. Okay, let's add. And let me show you how it looks. So yeah guys, this is the video that I created and it sounds really good. I can also add a text. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, and we can add the text right here. So I have created this video and click on next. The video will be ready. The next step is, of course, just like we add our description. Once you're done with the description, you can tag people, allow comments and other things. Click on post and your video will be posted. And this is a video I created with photos. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.